before you decide whether social media is for you or not. The element of displaying your happiness to people, your joys, the things that you got up to. Hold on a minute. The next time you're out with your friends at stakeout or whatever it may be, you're enjoying yourself with your brother, your sister, your spouse, and then you feel that impulse to put your hand in your pocket and to snap what you're doing. Hold on a minute. Just pause for a minute. Say to yourself, why am I feeling that? Why am I feeling the need to show people what I'm doing? Why am I feeling that? What made me feel that? Why is it that I need people to validate my happiness? Why do I need people to reassure me that I'm having a good time? It's as if I can't have fun unless people tell me that you're having fun. No, keep the phone there in your pocket and realize that when you are constantly showing the world your joys, your successes, the barbecues, the vacations, the Barbados, what are you doing? You're bringing the eyes of people upon yourself. You are bringing their eyes upon you and your family and your money, your health. And then you wonder why you have anxieties, why you're depressed, why your life is melting away before your very eyes. You brought this upon yourself. We did. And that is why the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said, the hadith which Tabarani narrates on the authority of Mu'adh ibn Jabal, he said, استعينوا على قضاء حوائجكم بالكتمان فإن كل ذي نعمة محسود. He said, make sure that you hold on to privacy when you're fulfilling your endeavors, because everybody who has a blessing is envied. Did you get the hadith? Phenomenal words. Hold on to privacy, secrecy when you're fulfilling an endeavor. Don't go telling everyone about it. Why? Because every blessed man has an envier. So keep people away from you, keep the eyes of people away from your family, away from your property, away from your life. And if you need to share something, only share it with the people you love. Mom, dad, siblings, you know they only want the best for you. By the way, there's another element here of showing the world what you go up to, what you got up to, and the food and the latest steak that you just had. Hold on a minute. Does everyone have the opportunity to eat meat twice, 3 times, 4 times a week? Does everyone have the opportunity to spend 30 quid on a steak? You just got married and you're showing everyone your beautiful spouse. Okay, fair play to you, you've blurred out her face. Jazakallah khair. What about your brother next door who can't get married? What about the fella next door who wanted to marry the girl that you're married to? You graduated, mashallah, your dad got you a BM. Does everyone need to see that? Maybe my car is a banger, I'm struggling with a basic Skoda. Is everyone a well-wisher for you? And then you wonder, why am I feeling so anxious, so sad? It must be black magic. Just go to your feed. Mostly you will find the answer there without becoming obsessed with the idea of ayn, magic and the rest of it. The element of displaying your joys. Are you a culprit to that? Are you a victim of that? You just can't help showing the world everything you're doing. And what is interesting is that the unhappiest people, science says, the unhappiest of all people are those who portray themselves to be the happiest of people. And if it was just about you being happy, maybe we can achieve that. No, we want to be happier than other people. And social media is designed to show you that people are happier than they actually are. So how can you ever win? As they say that jealousy is about all the fun you thought they have. Jealousy is about all the fun that you thought they had. So cover your affairs, brothers and sisters.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.